Welcome to Small Town Adventures. I'm Zach. Today we're gonna see how our shelter fared up with all them storms that came in. Let's check it out. So it looks like it did all right. See if we can make some improvements. All right, so I'm gonna talk about these things my wife brought to my attention while she was in the hospital. They're these little hot pad packs, and I got to thinking this would be something good to carry in your bag. Say you have no access, well, I don't want to say no access, say you got wet wood, it's pouring down rain, and you're in something like that there, you ain't got no way to get heat. Well, take this here little heat pad, crack it open, keep it up against your core, there you go, you got a little bit of heat. So all you do, it's got little instructions on it. You fold it over like that, and you just squeeze it, and you knead it like you would bread dough. And there you go, you got instant heat. Now, it's not something logical to carry a bunch of, but as a backup for an emergency, throwing one in your bag be all right. Also have things like, we actually did a video on these little fuel bars. Keeping them in your bag, keep everything emergent like first aid, etc., all in the front part of my bag, so it's there when I need it. So as she's sitting there in the hospital with the baby, her and I got discussing this topic and figured that'd be a good thing to make a video on, just something quick, easy, and very helpful. I believe you can order these online. Amazon might have them. It's very hard to tell because, one, I didn't research it, and two, I don't look up hot packs on Amazon. So yeah, we're Small Town Adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, follow, and if you really want to see the behind the scenes, check out our Patreon, links in the about section. We'll catch you guys later.